Welcome back. Seems like Swachh Bharat Nitalgaon is on a day off on the New Year day. After a week-long buzz, major beaches in the state are left dirty and untidy with garbage spilled all over the place. Alcohol and PET bottles are seen all over the beaches. Plastic bags and other waste is also dumped on the favorite party destinations. Beach cleaning workers were on the job, but the number wasn't enough to complete the task. Some of the local authorities, though rare, took an initiative to clean the mess. Watch the fate of Swachh Bharat. This was the scene at Baga Beach. Have a look. Alcohol bottles all over the bridge. The scene is few hours after the New Year celebrations on 31st night. The beach cleaning team is there at the site, but claims that number of tourists is huge and as such they keep dumping garbage on the beach. Rag pickers too had a busy day collecting metal cans and plastic.
टूरिस्ट लोग ज़्यादा निकालता है फिर साफ होता है सब चल रहा है सुबह से भी 2-3 बार निकाल फिर कचरा फिर अभी गाड़ी आया राती सांगपाचें म्हटल्यार सगळे न्यू इयरच उगत येयलो तेंच्यांनी मेळात थंय तेंच्यांनी आपण बसले सगळे कडेन बॉटल हे तांकां रावंक सुवात ना जाली म्हणटकूच तो कचरो गो दिसूंक लागलो
आतां 5 ट्रिप मारल्या खूब टुरिस्ट लोक तुका आतां रासले कितें 3 ट्रिप.
At Kolwa, the beach cleaning workers were not seen. The beach was dirty. Garbage seen littered all over the beach. Police seized the alcohol bottles from tourists who were found drinking in open along the seashore. Some feel it's wrong to drink alcohol in public places.
साफ सुथरा एकदम है यहाँ पर.
हाँ यहाँ जो दारू पीते हैं इसके लिए क्या है?
नहीं तो सब चीज़ तो नहीं होना चाहिए यहाँ पर. इस पर पाबंद लगना चाहिए. प्रशासन के देख रहे हैं कि अपना मुस्तैदी से काम ले रहे हैं सब अपना.
तो प्रशासन ने इस पर
बैंड लगा रहा है प्रशासन.
However, at Bogmalo Beach, the scene was different on Thursday morning. Beach was clean and tidy. The local panchayat took an initiative to clean the beach.
आज आम्ही सकाळी आमच्या सगळ्या पंचायती वांगड्याक घेऊन आम्ही सगळे बीच क्लिनिंग केल्या आणि एकदम लोक सगळे विलेजीचे हॅपी आसा.
We've come back down today. Beach has all been cleaned. Local panchayat's done a very good job. Nice to see that the area is being taken care of.
Bureau Report Prudent. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.